Hi everyone, my name is Vansh Agarwal. I am an engineer with a strong analytic mindset and a deep interest in strategic thinking. Like a game of chess, I believe in planning carefully, thinking ahead and make decisions calculated. I approach every challenge with logic, patience and determination. Introducing the Google Cloud Arcade Back. This is not just a backpack, it's built for people who are always learning and building. It's durable, water resistant, and designed to keep your laptop essential safe whenever you go. More than a bag, it's represent your journey earning. It means you are learned real cloud skills and put in a work. Simple, practical, and powered by progress. That's Google. One thing outsider will not understand about my campus in the last year hustle before exam or deadline, everyone suddenly becomes super active. Libraries are full, people are discussing, and ideas spread fast. I will use this moment to promote the program. If something helped the student at the time, it spread very quickly and how it grows. I usually plan thinking carefully so I avoid major mistake. But once I and launched a project without validating it is with users and it failed publicly. That moment changed how I think. I realized strategy alone is not enough. Real success comes from understanding people. Since then, I don't just plan. I test early, take feedback, and improve fast. That shift has made my decision not just smarter, but more effective. To make Gemini popular on campus in 7 days with zero budget, I do focus on curiosity and visibility. Day 1 and 2. Create curiosity post message like this AI solved my assignment in 30 seconds in WhatsApp group. Day 3 and 4. Start a Gemini challenge. Let students try it and share the best result. Day 5. Ask popular student or club leaders to use it and share their experience. Day 6. Give quick live demo in common areas so people can try it. Day 7. Share result and success stories to create FOMO means fear of missing out. This idea is simple, make people see it, try it and talk about it.